In this video, we're going to look at some of the recent updates to VS Code. If you want to learn more about VS Code, check out my VS Code course at vscodehero.com. The link is in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. There weren't a ton of updates this time around. The VS Code team focused on housekeeping GitHub issues and pull requests. They closed over 4,000 issues. Great job. The bracket pair guides that were added a couple of updates ago now have horizontal lines that outline the scope of the bracket pairs. To enable bracket pair guides, go to the settings and set editor.guides.bracketpairs to true. There's also an active setting that makes the bracket pair guide only visible for the active bracket pair. Then there's the new setting editor.guides.bracketpairs horizontal, which controls the visibility of the horizontal guides. And now the vertical guides also take into account indentation. So if you're not properly indented, it's going to stand out. And we can also customize the color of our bracket pairs and guides. And I'm working on updating this in my VS Code Code Stacker theme. Now, VS Code is continually improving. Let me know what your favorite feature is. I also have a VS Code cheat sheet that you can download for free. The link is in the description. It has keyboard shortcuts, my favorite extensions, themes, fonts, and icon packs. And that's going to be it for this video. Like this video to help me out and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this.